First, insert a circle shape and a thin rectangle. Rotate the thin rectangle to 180 degrees and place it centered on the circle. Next, insert 3 additional thin rectangles and position them on the circle at 90 degrees, 45 degrees, and 135 degrees. Now, select all the shapes. Go to Merge Shapes and choose Fragment. From the fragmented pieces, keep only the 4 triangle shapes and remove the rest from the slide. Position the 4 triangle shapes at the bottom center of the slide. Then, change the background and shape colors according to your preference to create a modern, visually appealing look. After that, insert a thin rectangle shape and place it on top of one triangle, as shown. Repeat the same step for the other 3 triangles and group each triangle with its thin rectangle. Now insert text inside the divided portion of each triangle. Add a small round shape in the same color as the triangle and position it so it points toward the text. Repeat this step for all triangles. Then group the text and small round shapes together. Next, insert icons, position them on each triangle, and change the icon color to white. Group the triangle, thin rectangle, and icon together. After completing the design, add a heading to the slide and carefully position all elements for a clean and professional layout. Duplicate the slide and reposition the shapes to prepare for morph transitions. Apply the morph transition to create a smooth, professional animation effect. Finally, adjust the color palette to give the slides a polished, professional finish. And here is the final look of the presentation.